FANTTIK is not a traditional power tool company. We are passionate and creative. Our focus is to create tools that inspire and promote DIY culture. When we think of conventional cordless screwdrivers, we often associate them with unreliable and poor performance. That is because most of the cordless screwdrivers on the market come with low quality components, and the motor can barely handle most home repairs or DIY needs. At FANTTIK, our goal is to provide tools that have the perfect balance in performance, ergonomics, and price. We design products that are more suitable for the modern small families and DIYers' needs. Our NEX L1 and NEX L1 Pro cordless screwdrivers are both designed and packaged by our creative industrial design team. They offer the best technology and class-leading performance in the most efficient package. We consolidated all the controls into one single area with an interactive digital display that shows instant feedback. While keeping the form factor small, we didn't want to compromise on the performance. We managed to fit an ultra-small brushless motor that gives out 30% more power compared to other cordless screwdrivers in the same class. With the combination of 6 precision torque settings and the pressure-sensitive trigger, users can have precise torque control for tackling a wide range of different DIY projects. These 2 cordless screwdrivers are very easy to use, comfortable and jam-packed with high-quality components in a small package. We are extremely proud of what we were able to achieve, and we are confident that our customers will love it. We hope FANTTIK's products will encourage and inspire more people to start their own DIY projects.